sir. Welcome and thank you for joining us today at Drone Expo 2026. We are so glad to have you here and we are so excited to know about your experience at Drone Expo 2026. So let's start with the first question. Please introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Okay, so my name is Vikram Gill. I'm representing Techlanz. We are working on high-performance battery packs for drone applications.
Okay, which products are you showcasing today at Drone Expo 2026, sir?
Yeah, so we are showcasing our battery packs, which are designed in-house. We have also worked on battery management system, thermal management system. It comes in different form factors and different capacities. We have 6S, 12S, 14S with lithium polymer cells or solid-state batteries.
That's great, sir. In your views, which is your greatest strength that keeps you unique from others?
So we have designed everything in-house. We have complete control over the technology, the hardware, software, algorithms, battery digital twin, battery passport. So everything is designed, developed in-house. And we have different AI algorithms which actually predicts the health of the battery pack in real time.
Okay, what message would you like to share with your potential customers, visitors, and the individuals who are exploring your booth, sir?
So our technology is completely built in India, developed in India by Indian engineers. And we are also manufacturing in India for exports also. We can also provide customized solution based on your requirements. Also, we are working on next generation battery packs and improving the technologies thereafter.
That's awesome, sir. Thank you so much. Nice meeting you. And we are so glad to have you here. And in September, we are bringing it again in New Delhi. Would you like to participate again?
Absolutely. It is great energy. We are meeting really good customers, really good people here. We'll definitely participate again. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.